This video shows us one of China's humanoid factories, and these robots are starting to look so real, it's scary. So what does all this possibly mean? China's humanoid factories represent a major leap in automation and tech advancements, especially in manufacturing and service industries. And I'm not talking about the kind of services you might be thinking of. I think you know what I mean. By 2025, China aims to establish a leading ecosystem for these robots, significantly impacting global markets. So in layman's terms, these guys are designed to replace human jobs. And by the build of these bots, they are looking to be able to do sophisticated maneuvers like serving food, retail jobs, even low-level government jobs like mail delivery and post office jobs. Even the DMV is not safe. And this goes all the way up to construction. And if CEOs think that they're safe, I'm sure the board would love to replace a CEO with a more sophisticated AI robot that does exactly what they say. But hey, there's going to be a lot of job opportunities in robotics and AI. So if you're good at that sort of thing, you have nothing to worry about. But what do you guys think about this?